Windows 10 updates is a most annoying thing in Windows 10. It strikes when its users have to do something very important and urgent. If your PC has low-end system resources or you use a slow internet connection and you need to do updates, then forget to use both of things for a whole day or even more. Windows 10 doesn't let its users breathe a sigh of relief until it completes all updates. It downloads all updates at once, then installs and frequent restarts. Apparently you have no control over turning off or stopping ongoing updates until you dig into registry editor or other complicated things. Updates are as important as having installed an antivirus. If you don't update, your PC will become slow, unresponsive and an easy target for hackers. I have also gone through the same situation, and fortunately, I've found a workaround to overcome this problem. I don't know you will like it or not, but it works great for me. I can get updates when I want without disabling updates. Metered connection is a very useful feature in Windows 10 for those who use limited data internet connection. We can take advantage of metered connection feature. The thing is, when you make your internet metered, Windows 10 stops downloading updates. As far as updates are concerned, we can use a third-party Windows update software to get Windows 10 updates when you have free time. I would like to recommend to use Windows Update Mini tool. It's a free and easy to use piece of software and works great. Let's start off with making internet connection metered. From Taskbar, right-click on Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Click Open Network Internet Settings. After this, click Change Connection Properties. Scroll down the page until you find metered connection. Turn on metered connection. As you can see, Windows 10 has stopped downloading updates. You may now use Windows Update Mini tool or any other third-party Windows Update programs. Download Windows Update Mini tool and extract using WinRAR, 7-zip or any other program. This is a portable software. You don't need to install it. I have a 64-bit PC, and I will open 64-bit. Right-click and run it as administrator. Click round arrow to search for updates. It may take a while. Please be patient. Search will bring back with available updates. You have full control over which update to install and which to skip for other time. At the right side, you have three options: download only, no install. The next option first downloads and then installs selected updates. You have an option to copy download link to clipboard. I'm going to install an update for demonstration purposes. You may be asked for restart after install updates. Please visit softfinds.com, where you can find all links and other info. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and help me make more useful and informative videos.